Good evening. My name is Lonnie Heiner, and I live in Anacortes, and currently I'm doing a promotion for a dentist in the city of La Conner. And if you're interested in the visibility that I have already achieved for page 1 on Google for the keywords dentist, teeth cleaning, dentist, plural, and or family dentist, give me a call. You'll find my phone number following this short video when you see my promotional video. Anyway, my name is Lonnie Heiner. Give me a call. If you're not a dentist, get the free guide. The free dental guide. There's lots of good information in there for you. Thank you. Goodbye.